సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి అండ్ ఫర్ మోర్ అప్డేట్స్ బెల్ ఐకాన్ క్లిక్ చేయడం మర్చిపోకండి.
Students, now we are going to discuss advantages of field effect transistor over BJT. So it means differences between field effect transistor and bijunction transistor, bipolar. So this is the unipolar device, this is the bipolar device. So it means unipolar means the majority charge carriers are only negative or positive. Here there are two majority charge carriers. So okay, mainly the difference between FAT and BJT, this is the unipolar device, this is the bipolar device. So the advantages of FET over BJT, it means the differences between FET and BJT. So field effect transistor and BJT, first of all, first one is the first difference, this is the unipolar device. Okay, this is the bipolar device. So it means the transistor PNP. So in this BJT there are two majority charge carriers semiconductors. So this is the P, this is the P, this is the N. So here there are only one majority charge carriers. So this is the unipolar device, FAT is the unipolar device, BJT is the bipolar device. So FAT is the voltage controlled device. Voltage controlled device, the input voltage between gate and source. Okay, so these two terminals control the current of ID, that is the drain current. Okay, so this is the voltage controlled device. So this is the current controlled device. Current controlled device. In the input base current controls the output collector current, CE configuration. Already we know that this is the base current. So this is the current controlled device. The input base current, this is the base current, controls the output collector current. Okay, next of all, third point, this is the FAT. FAT is the smaller size. We know that it occupies a very small space, smaller size than transistors. So this is the bigger size, compare the FAT. So this is the smaller size, this is the bigger size, this is also smaller size, but compare the FAT, this is the big. Okay, so this is the smaller size. So the large number of FATs can be fitted in small value, so many FATs. So this is the big, some BJTs are available, okay, in the some volume. So this is the smaller size, this is also small size, but this is big size, compare the FAT. So next one, these are good thermal stability. So thermally not stable. So this is the in this FAT, high input impedance. In this BJT is low input impedance. Okay, next, in FAT's gain bandwidth product is less. Gain bandwidth product is less in FAT. Large gain bandwidth product. So this is the large gain bandwidth product. Okay. This is the in FAT is low noise level. Low noise level. So high noise level. Okay, so because high noise level, so FATs are used in voltage variable resistors. Okay, next of all, the FATs acts as fast switches as no voltage drop. No voltage drop on switches. Off switches, on switches. So acts as fast switches as no voltage drop exits across on switches. So BJTs have finite saturation voltage across the on switches. BJTs have finite saturation voltages across the on switches. So FATs acts as fast switches as no voltage drop exists across the on switches. BJTs have finite saturation voltage across the on switches. These are differences and similarities and advantages of FAT over BJT.